Hey, I'm back to my channel, FunWithKenzieP, and today we're making cookie cups. Let's open this. That was kind of easy. Whoa. It just smells like cardboard. So we got some mix, cookie cup mix. This one doesn't, I don't know what this one is. I'm guessing that one's the frosting. These are the molds. Wow, it comes with a lot. I guess we're going to be making a lot of cookies. The sprinkles. Yeah, I guess I'm right because there's no frosting, so I guess I guess we don't have to make the frosting? Maybe. I don't know. So we need an oven, and we need a spoon in the bowl to stir this and stir that, and then put it in, take your frosting and sprinkles. So yeah, I mean take these and put in the oven. So that's all that we have to do for this. It's not a lot of steps, but we do have to follow all these instructions on the back. So we're not going to be throwing this away, which is good. So first we need to put on the oven. First preheat your oven for 350. We got our cookie mix, our melted butter, and our water and our spoon. Now let's pour this in. Whoa. You guys, it smells so good. Like, really. Now I'm going to pour the water in, right? A little. Guess that's all the water. Now all this butter. It's hot. Go. Smells so good. Now you start stirring. Whoa. Why do I feel like I got too much of this like hard stuff of the mix? Stir until it looks like a dough. Right now it's starting to look like a pie. I don't know why though. Look at this, you guys. Why does that look like a pie? That look like apple pie to you? It looks like apple pie. It's time to kind of turn into a donut. Once it's all mixed, it's supposed to look like this. Wow, it's really like that right now. I can't even mix it anymore, probably because it's done mixing. So now we have this pan. It's a cupcake pan, and it comes with these little cupcake molds, and it's like making cupcakes. You just have to put these molds in the cupcake pan like so. Now we're gonna have to scoop up the dough like this, and take the dough like this, and put it in the thing. See guys? You gotta squish it flat, kind of like a pancake, but it's not a pancake. See guys, like that. Now do this for each one. Okay, now Now, once you're done frying your stuff out, it's supposed to look like this. We're gonna put these in the oven for 12 minutes. See you then. Okay, so now you have to take them out of the oven, then let them cool off. Now it's time to decorate. So now we're gonna put the frosting. So you can't put too much in one thing, and then because you have way more to do. So you're just gonna put like a little bit. Not that little, maybe a little bit more, guys. It's not a lot. Like a good amount, like that. Good of amount, right, guys? Okay, now you're gonna take the spoon and you're gonna take this. And you're gonna rub it like this. You really just want to cover the bottom. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna put the sprinkles. I think that's a little too much. It's okay. Okay, now we're gonna do that for all of the cups. Look, guys, it's a little cup. It looks like a cupcake. That's good. Okay, guys, these cookies were so good. But if you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end. Cookies!